Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing an IMA set today. So I'm going to be using 32 and 119. So these are both nudes. So this is actually part of the Divinedecalsuk UK Ambassador Club. So I'm going to be using a foil from her. So I will show you me applying one coat, and then I will show you the second coat of each colour on two of the nails, so you're not sitting here for ages just watching me just paint the tips. And I shall be right back. So this is the foil I'm going to use today. So this is the Gucci foil. I thought this would look really nice over these two new colours. And I'm also going to be doing some stamping as well. So I've got out a mutine plate. This is from AliExpress. And also a Beauty Bang one as well. So this is texture XL001. And I'm also going to be using the IMA foil glue. So how I do my foils, I know I say this in all my foil videos, but just in case you don't know, I apply a even layer onto the nail, making sure I get all the sides and everything, and then I will cure it for 60 seconds in my lamp, and then I will leave it to sit for anywhere between 30 seconds and a minute, just so it cools down a bit, and then yeah, and then it's ready to apply the foil. Okay, I'm going to be using my Cads black stamping polish today. I'm really nearly out of this. I really need to order some more. So as you all know, I just apply the polish to the image, scrape and pick it up, and then just take off any bits that I don't want, and then I will stamp it onto the nail. I haven't removed the tacky layer because I'm going to use that as like a kind of sticky base, because it was really warm and I knew that it was going to dry really fast. So I'm going to use the tacky layer of the gel polish to adhere the stamping, and yeah, I will just let you watch this and then I shall come back. So I'm going to apply the iMaily No Wipe top coat. If you do stamping, you always want to apply a glossy top coat before you apply the matte top coat, because the matte top coat will smear your stamping. So I'm just going to apply that to these two nails, and then I will add a charm from Charlie's Nail Art onto one of the nails, and then that will be this design done. Yep, so I should be back in a minute. Okay, so that's the glossy top coat all done, and then I'm going to use the iMaily matte top coat as well, and then put the charm on, and that's it. So I will post glossy, matte and half pictures at the end. Let me know below what you think. I hope you enjoyed this quickish video today, and I hope you like the end result. Don't forget my discount codes for iMaily, Charlie's Nail Art and Divinedecalsuk. I will have it all linked in the description box as well. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below and which one do you prefer. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my video today. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And hopefully I shall see you in the next one. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Until then, take care. Bye.